Welcome everybody. It's been a long time. Had a tooth infection. Really mess you up for a long time. Anyway, I do mainly Bitcoin, but so we really hadn't been doing a lot. They're going sideways. We did have a dump several days ago. That was due to longing and shorting. Basically, people put in longs up to 70,000, 72,000, and you know the whales can see all these longs out there. So what they'll do is once they see all these longs out there, they will dump a bunch of Bitcoin, drop the price, liquidate the longs. Those guys get wrecked if they're using leverage, which is stupid. They get wrecked. The whales buy it up at a low price, and then the guys that lost their longs either have to go back in and do other longs or do other shorts if they didn't use leverage. If they lose leverage, they're probably wrecked. So, hey, if you're in this for the long term, don't use leverage. You'll get wrecked. If you're done, you're broke. Simple as that. Anyway, take a quick look at the charts here, man. I guess we'll look at a web bull first here. I mean, Avalanche is just totally gone crazy. I mean, starting this morning these are 1 hour charts. So starting, let's see, we're at the 13th, it'll be the 14th. Yeah, I mean, within 24 hours, I mean, went from $85 to 97. So, you know, there you go. $12 jump. So it's massive. Cardano, I just got back in Cardano. There's some things coming up with Cardano that ought to pump it up. From what I'm hearing, my original cost basis was 206. So there's no reason not to get back in at my same cost basis since it will be going back up. Algorand is another great one. $2.10. I mean, it got all the way up to 237, but it has done well. It's a good one. Of course, Bitcoin, we just had a big pump. We put it on the 30-minute chart. We will see. Let me move this out of the way. This big candle, this big wick here. We had this big wick just, I guess that was like 6 o'clock. Yeah, 6 o'clock. Big wick candle up, sharp drop down, and another wick is going back up. So we're back above 65,000. So, and another reason that we did have the dip going back to right here at 62. Well, actually, we did wick down to 62, 295. Another reason that could be there was a lot of people that bought in at 64,000 several months ago. Okay, first time buyers get in at 64,000. It goes down to whatever it did, 42, 48. They freak out. It gets back up 65. Let's get out. We'll break even. Let's get out. Never panic sell. Never. I mean, you can do what you want, but so here we go. Bitcoin's on the run up today. Solano. Incredible. What? $221 at 1 a.m. and now we're sitting at 240. So $20. Crazy. Polkadot been struggling lately, but it's now pushing back up, sitting at $47.24. Polygon Matic $1.76 has had a struggle, as you see, a while back, but there's things coming out on Polkadot and Matic that will be pumping those up. Ethereum, of course, it's going to follow Bitcoin. Had the same big wick right here. We're at, what, 46.79. So, yeah, what did it get up to? Close to 5,000. Yeah, 52-week high. 48. So, we're only, what, a couple $100 away from 52-week high. Anyway, there you go on that, and we'll move over to We're in Web Bull. We'll move over to coin. Oh yeah, by the way, this inflation crap they got going on with this administration destroying the economy and destroying oil and gas, destroying fiat, printing money, infrastructure bill, $4 trillion. If all that crap goes through, man, hope you live in Texas or Florida. If not, you better move out of the country or move somewhere else. Bunch of freaking dumbasses up there. That's all right. There's already been indictments. There's going to be indictments. Durham's got indictments. And then for them to have the audacity to indict Bannon is just like a joke. Sorry, but hey, if Gerald Celente can call them everything in the book, and Hodgkin twins can get on Facebook and YouTube and say all that stuff, hey, they're not banning me. I ain't saying nothing bad about them if they don't know what the hell they're doing. Gold, $1,867, man. That is freaking amazing. I mean, I wasn't going to sell my gold. I was selling off some silver. It probably when it was at $23, but I mean I wasn't selling it for $23. I was selling it for more an ounce, but it's at $25.40, and it's it's going up too. So we'll see what happens next week. Inflation will drive gold, will drive silver. So if they keep this shit up, yeah, that's going to happen. Gold's going to go up. Keep your gold for now. Silver depends on how much you got. Okay. Somebody asked me the other day, said, "Well, don't they use that in parts for computers and?" This, that, and the other. I said that is a minuscule amount. It's nothing. And the problem with gold and silver is they can create as much. They mine 2% more gold every year. I watch Gold Rush every week. It's one of my favorite shows, okay? I mean, Parker's novel, 24-year-old, he digs up $9 to $10 million worth of gold a year. So that's dumped on the market. Bitcoin, you can't dump anymore on the market. The miners are holding it all. And everything they mine. So there you go. I don't know if you're interested in that or not, but anyway, let's look at Live Coin Watch. Okay, so looking at market cap, we're sitting at $3 trillion again. We got up to $3 trillion. We're right. We're just barely below it. Volume, we got the big spike. That's just from a few minutes ago. Bitcoin dominance got down to 41%, which means altcoins have been on fire. They've been on fire. Anytime it gets down to 41, 42, altcoins are going to pump. Okay? 99% of the time. I ain't saying all the time. Most of the time. And as you can see, Bitcoin dominant is back up to 42.5. So that tells me that Bitcoin is going to get a little hotter. Altcoins are going to cool off a bit. But if Bitcoin takes a parabolic run, the major protocols will follow. Being Ethereum, Binance, Solana, Cardano, Polkadot, Avalanche, Algorand, Matic, all those. Okay, so let's look at a 7-day. Some of these coins I don't know. This is the one that I want to buy. KDA, but it's not on Coinbase. I only deal on Coinbase. Not really up in the last 24 hours, down 3%. Last 7 days up 52%. Last 30 days 900%. Last 90 days 3,650%. And the last year this coin is up 13,800%. Okay, I want it. So Coinbase, get on it. UMA, I really don't know nothing about it. I just marked it. I'll watch my trusted people and they'll mention it. I know he mentions KuCoin a lot, which has done great. 29%, 106, 109, 2,800. Avalanche. Okay, Avalanche in the last 24 hours is up 13%. This week it's up 20, 30 days 75%, 90 days 412. 2,609% this year for Avalanche. Avalanche is a good one. Buy it, hold it, stick with it. Stacks I don't know anything about. It's done really well over the 30-91 year. Mana, same thing. It's done 3,000, almost 4,000% for the year. Get Chain, I don't know. Chili's, 4,950% for the year. Chainlink, I need to get back into. Last 7 days up 6%. 30 days it's up 30%. 20% in 9 days. And the only problem with Link Chainlink is because they're waiting. They've been waiting on certain projects to be implemented, and I think that's coming. So it's probably one I want to get back into. Bitcoin, of course, 14% up for the month. For the year, 300%. It was at 380 at one point. So, but we did have that dip. But now that it's shooting back up, it's probably going to go back up higher than that. I don't know anything about AOG. Nexo, I'm not really familiar with. It's done pretty good. Binance Coin, which is on Binance. I don't use Binance, so I haven't bought that. XRP, they're still in the lawsuit. I don't mess with that. Cardano, like I said, really been bad over last 30, 90 days. But yearly, almost 2,000%. So, and they've got things coming online. It'll be pumping. Ethereum, of course. 30 days, 25%, 90 days, 41, 900 for the year. Elron, I need to get into, up 35%. Yeah, 36% for 30 days, 135 for 90 days, and 4,000% for the year. This is a good. It's a good the market cap's $6 billion, so that's pretty good. I have these sorted by market cap, which well, no, I did. I have to go back and restart. All right, let me go through these real quick. Dogecoin, I don't really give a crap about. USDT, I don't know. This is the free one I got off Coinbase. I mean, it's up 20% in 30 days, 72% in 90 days, and 1,700% in the year. I have nothing about it. AMP I was real big on. I got rid of it because look at the numbers. 26% in 30 days. That's pretty good, but lost 40% in 90 days. Did good in a year, but still not good enough. Harmony's another hot one that was coming along. It's done okay on a 90-day basis. 156% for a year. 5,290. A bounce. Another one that I've got into. Where did that dang thing go? Bounce. Auction. Well, auction or bounce, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, it's floundering right now, so I'm not sure about Solano. My gosh. Solano. For the week, down 6%. Who cares? 30 days, 62%. 90 days, 322%. For the year, Solano, 11,800% gain in 365 days. Just saying, people. Polygon Matic's been struggling lately, but 30 days, 40%, 90 days, 20%. What ain't great, but on the year, 10,500% increase for Polygon Matic. And here's your Shibi coin, which I bought $100 worth, but I sold it at profit because I'm not into those. AXS. Good project, I think. Haven't done well the last week, but up for the year 36,500%. So, hey, what are you going to do? Polkadot been struggling too. Only up 18% for 30 days, 100% for 90, and about 1,000% for the year. So it's coming along. I've got back into Atom Cosmos. Been struggling the last week or so, but up still 538%. So verdict's still out on that. Oh yeah, I want to go back to market cap real quick. Market cap. So Bitcoin's at 1.22 trillion market cap. Ethereum at 553 billion. Binance at number 3. Well, this is just I better do it this way. I just have my favorites highlighted. Come on. I don't know why it's doing that. Uncheck the heart. Uncheck the heart, dude. Computer's hung up for a second, so hang on. Okay. Alright. Now why the heart things don't go away, I don't know. Refresh the page, see what we get. And we still got hearts over here. Shouldn't be. Now, I have to reload the whole page. Anyway, market caps, Binance 109 billion, USDT 74 billion, Solana is at 120 billion, and it did flip Cardano, which is only at 66. It has flipped Cardano by double. Oh, wait, I'm sorry. I'm reading total cap. I don't even know why I've got a total cap on there, because I don't normally look at that. Total cap, market cap. Okay, so let's go back. Binance 109 billion, USDT 75 billion, Solana 68 billion, Cardano right behind at 66. XRP, Polkadot 48 billion, Dogecoin 34 billion, USDC 34, Sheepcoin 32 billion. Y'all young people are something else. Luna 23 billion. Avalanche already at 21 billion. Avalanche fixing to pass up a couple of these people, I think, and get in the top 10. Chainlink 15 billion. We'll see what happens. Waiting on some things with them. Algorand's at 13 already. Moving quick. Matic 12 billion. Right behind them all. AXS almost at 10. Atoms at almost 8. Man, I don't do Elgaron. 6 billion for Elgaron. And really, that's your big caps. So, that's your big caps. They're all pumping pretty much. I mean, if you put them on a daily chart, they're pretty much all pumping. So that's really what's been going on. I'm trying to keep this short as I can. You know, some of these videos are way too long. I watch all the videos. I get all the pertinent information I can get. I try to post other people's stuff on my Bitcoin Believers Facebook website, so people can see the information from other people like Michael Saylor, other people that I listen to. And if we go to groups real quick, come on, man, let's go Facebook. Facebook is just irritates me to no end because they're so slow. Where is my? Oh, here we go. Yeah, you can go in here. Bitcoin Believers Facebook group. Miami mayor launches Bitcoin wallets for city. This Miami mayor is awesome. Love him. Just like I like our mayor. Good video here, Michael Saylor. Another good video by Saylor explaining things. Thing about Elon Musk here. If Apple and Tesla adopt Bitcoin. Oh yes, by the way, the ETF was denied. They only had 2 days left to do it. They denied it. Who cares? Bitcoin still continues up. It doesn't matter. Okay? We do have an ETF. It's a futures traded ETF. It means you're buying future prices of Bitcoin. You're not buying Bitcoin. What we want is a spot ETF. In other words, you can go on exchange and buy Bitcoin on an exchange. On a American stock exchange. That's what we want. If that ever happens, 100,000, 200, 250 plus. Bitcoin is worth $500 trillion, says Michael Saylor. And there's 4 type of cryptos investors. Which type are you? This is really great. If you don't understand what type of investing you're doing, are you a gambler, are you a saver, are you an investor, are you a speculator? It explains it all right there. So you can go to my Bitcoin Believers, join up, or just go to my YouTube channel, man, because if I don't start getting views, you know, why am I going to post this crap out there for you guys? Because I've got, I don't know, I tried to calculate it the other day. I think it was anywhere from 8 to 14,000 hours of research into Bitcoin since 2013 I've done. So I know what to look at, what not to look at too long. So go to my channel, you know, hit subscribe, Go to somebody else's channel and you can see it better. Yeah. Hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell and hit the like the video for me, please. So I keep doing this, but so you won't have to do it all yourself, because it's a lot of work. Okay? I just happen to have the time to do it. So, hey, good luck to everybody out there. Stay safe and, you know, think for yourself. Do some research, critical thinking. It ain't that hard. But everybody's so damn busy because they got to go to work and they got kids and grandkids and family. I understand all that. Anyway, just don't let your dollar erode to zero when you turn around and look and it's all gone. So that's all I'm trying to do, man, is help you. So take it or leave it. Can't say, well, I can say Ghost Stros. Great year. Alright, guys. Gonna watch some little college football.